So in this video, we are going to talk about how we can install DigiSpark in our system, and then we will see a simple program and check whether DigiSpark is installed correctly or not. So let me first tell you where you can get DigiSpark board, DigiSpark microcontroller. So it's a 80Tiny85 microcontroller as we discussed, and you can get it in around $2 to $3. You can easily get it from eBay or Amazon, or even you can get it from AliExpress as well. So you can get it easily in around $2 to $3. Now let me tell you how you can install DigiSpark. So first you have to go to this link, and I will provide this link in the description below, so you can easily find this link. And all you have to do is you have to download this zip file, digistump.drivers.zip, and I have already downloaded this zip file. So let me show you. So this is a zip file, and you have to unzip it, and you have to install drivers. So over here you can see this is the exe file. You have to install it, and while you are installing, make sure your DigiSpark board is already connected with your system. So before installing the drivers, make sure your DigiSpark board is connected, and then you have to double click on this, and you have to install the drivers. So I have already installed these drivers, so let me cancel it. Then you need Arduino IDE. So for DigiSpark, we are going to use similar Arduino IDE for programming DigiSpark. So make sure Arduino IDE is already installed in your system. So you have to open Arduino IDE, and then you have to go in File, Preferences, and you can open it with Control and comma, and you have to paste this link. I will also provide this JSON link. So you have to paste it in additional board manager URL. So you have to paste it over here, and you have to do OK. Correct. Then you have to go in Tools, Board, and Board Manager. Over here you have to type DG, and you will get this DigiStump AVR boards by DigiStump. So you have to install these boards, right? So I have already installed these boards. So let me just go in Tools and Board, and over here you can see DigiStump AVR board, and you have to select DigiSpark default 16.5 megahertz. So this is the default DigiSpark board. Correct. So this is the installation of DigiSpark. So it's a very simple installation. All you have to do is you have to download the drivers, and you have to use this JSON link to get these AVR boards in your system. So this is a simple installation. Now let me show you the schematic diagram of DigiSpark, so we can see the blinking LED code as well. So this is the schematic diagram of DigiSpark. Over here you can see two LEDs. Over here is the first LED and the second LED. And over here you can see all the 6 pins which we discussed in our previous video. So these are the 6 pins which we can use in digital input output as well as in analog. Some of the pins can be used in analog as well as in PWM and I2C communication and SPI communication. So we have discussed these things in our previous video. What pins can be used in SPI communication, what pins can be used in analog communication. So we have discussed all these things. So over here you can see in the schematic diagram, by the way, the numbering is not correct over here in the board. On the board, the numbering starts from 0. Over here the numbering is started from 1. So pin number 1, if we consider 0, if we start the pin from 0, so this pin number 1 will be connected with LED, right? So we can use this pin 1 to turn on and off the default LED on the board. We will see this in a moment. So this is the schematic diagram, and pin 1 is connected with LED. Now let me show you the code. It's a very simple code. So all you have to do is you have to go in File, Examples, Basic, and Blink. So this is the same code which I'm using. So you have to open this Blink code, and then you have to change the LED built-in to 1, because in the schematic diagram, as you have seen, the default pin which is connected with LED is pin 1. So we have to change it pin 1 over here and also over here. So we are doing digital write 1 and high. That means the LED will turn on, and we are doing the delay of 1 second. Then we are doing the LED low for 1 second. So the LED will blink for 1 second. So let me just do. By the way, you have to before uploading the code, make sure your DigiSpark is not connected with your system. I'll show you how you can upload the code. So all you have to do is you have to first compile and upload before connecting your DigiSpark device. So make sure you first compile, and over here it will show you plug in device now, and it will give you 60 seconds timeout. So let me connect my DigiSpark device. So the device is connected, and now you can see the code is uploaded. So make sure first you click on this compile and upload button, and then you connect your DigiSpark device. Otherwise the code will not be uploaded. So the code is uploaded, and you can see the blinking LED. Now let me just change the code, and let me just remove my DigiSpark device now, and let me make it the delay of 100 seconds and turn on and off in both. And now let me just upload the code one more time, and let me connect my DigiSpark device one more time. So the code is uploaded, and over here you can see the blinking LED. Now the LED is blinking fast with 100 microseconds delay. So this is the basic program, and the drivers are installed correctly, and our DigiSpark board is running fine. In our next video, we are going to first solder the pins on this DigiSpark board, and then we are going to see some other interesting projects as well. Thank you.